What problem does Bobi Cosmetics solve that other beauty brands don't? And what was the vision behind creating it?
So let me start with the vision that we started with, behind creating Bobi Cosmetics. First, obviously, passion. That is, I really, really wanted to have a legacy behind because I came from the makeup industry. I understood the industry. So the logical extension to the business would have been production or an academy, like having a brand or an academy. So the brand was what I looked at. And where the cavity came in, or the problem, there's really no problem as such. Every brand that India is coming out or has been there, starting with, I think what I can think of as a kid is Lakme, or maybe there were Ponds, and everybody actually did a lot of research when they brought a product in the market. Today there's multiple other brands. There's Sugar, there's Kiro, there is Rene. I mean, there are a huge number. They all do a very strong market study. They know their Sam Tam Som. They know what how much they want to get into the market. What does the market want? What do they understand? I think the big question you should be asking me here is, how are you helping your inner passion to grow? Because I really want to make Bobi, and I want it to be in every household. I want everybody to use the products because this is what I have studied. This is what I have done all my life, and I'm really passionate about it, and I would want everybody to use it and then tell me, ye aise karo, ye waise karo, this lacks in the product, and build on it. Because that's my USP. I have been a subject matter expert in makeup because that's the industry I've studied. I worked there. I built myself as a makeup artist and then moved in. So yes, if you ask me, the cavity is that I don't know how many SMEs are there. Now that would be the question. Who actually started a brand? And there are a lot of businessmen or businesswomen who started the brand. So that's the difference. A subject matter expert knows what to get into the market, whereas everybody has studied the market and got it in. That's the huge difference.
So that really sets the foundation for the next question, because we'd like for you to take us back to the beginning. What was the biggest risk you took while starting Bobi Cosmetics? And was there a moment you almost gave up?
Yeah. Oh dear Lord, yes. So I came from a service industry, and in the makeup industry, you do your work. That's like you have instant gratification, you have instant money coming in.
Yeah.
Finish your work, you take your money, go back. That's a big one. See, everything is not on charity. You do it, but the bigger picture is there's a lot of, in the service industry, you do your services, you get paid for it. That's number one. Number two, a lot of gratitude. There's a lot of thank yous that come to you. And when I moved into wanting to create a brand and build a brand and have it everywhere, and you as the brand reaches every household, as a makeup artist you can't. That 180 degree was difficult because here there's a wait period, there's a growing period, you're constantly waiting कि अभी आपने प्रोडक्ट बनाया, उसका फिर आपका सैंपल आया, फिर आपने इसको देखा, R&D किया, it's working on all, you ask the market. That wait was pulling me, stretching me. Every day felt like, oh my God, 24 hours felt like a year sometimes. But then you learn. And here I am today. And where your second question is, did I want to? Yes, once I did. I actually cried, and then something in me told me that, you know what? Nothing comes easy. They push, you push harder. And I pushed harder, and here I am.
That's amazing. Can you tell us, how do you decide which product to launch next? Can you walk us through the journey from an idea to a product reaching the final customer?
Yeah. When I did start Bobi Cosmetics, we started off with eyelashes because coming, from the makeup industry, the biggest cavity was good eyelashes. We got plastic eyelashes and the edges were always sticking out. So when the glue was not of great quality. So when we did launch, we launched a lot of different types of eyelashes and very good quality glue. And that was quite the sellout. Obviously, we were very small. Our numbers, our MOQs were very small. We were importing it from different geographies. Yes. So, but we never had a single stock sitting back. Now that actually gave me the confidence, ab next kya kar sakte hain? Then I realized that there were a lot of not such great quality beauty blenders. There was one that was there that came from UK that everybody was using. I cannot remember the name. I remember the shocking pink color. And everybody all over the globe, they were buying that makeup sponge, makeup blender and beauty blender. I think that's what they called it. Fabulous product. And then I said we should get one of that in the market. That also did very well because we kept it latex free. We made sure that the minute you washed it, it actually bled off the product. There was never, any residue remaining in the sponge. Then we moved from there into mainstream makeup. We realized this is going to go on. But when we want to come into mainstream is like your dal chawal.
Yeah.
What everybody is. It's soul food, jisko bolte hain. So what's your soul product? Kajal, lipsticks, lip glosses, something that is very low on your chemical. And the Gen Zs and the millennials, they love almost chemical-free products. So we started doing R&D on that. So yes, we then got into mainstream, but that was more generic products that everybody will use. Then we decided on pricing. What the pricing should be? Should we be where are we going to stack our pricing? We thought the mid-range is very good. And then we started researching on the product. What will be the ingredients that will go in? Who will manufacture it? How are we going to create packaging? All that took a lot of study. And that's how we worked our way up onto each product line.
Amazing. Building a product, however, is one thing, but building a brand is another. So, how did you earn your first customers' trust and what marketing strategy gave Bobi its biggest breakthrough?
So let me tell you, initially when Bobi started, we were with eyelashes. So with eyelashes, we actually targeted makeup artists because that's me.
Right.
And we gave them all our different types and qualities of eyelashes. And we asked them for feedback. We didn't get feedback. We got orders. That was our first understanding that TK quality is really great. Quality was acha hai. Then when the second round went, when they bought the products, then we gave them another lot of eyelash glues because we launched that. Again, same thing. They gave orders. And then there was no looking back.
However, with so many beauty brands in the market like you've highlighted today, how does Bobi stay relevant while maintaining its unique identity?
Marketing. I think it's just marketing. And I'm going to say it out loud here, no brand is bad. Every brand is damn good. They all do a lot of research. I'm going to say this here, even if you buy mass market products, a lot of them do a lot of research because they're tapping another market altogether.
Right, yeah.
Every brand is fantastic in their own way. They do a lot of study, a lot of R&D. Some may want to buy, get products just because, there's a range of, there was some kind of oil that was in the market because we're not beauty, we're more into color cosmetics. So everybody wanted to launch that product. But I myself bought it and I liked all of them.
Yeah.
Obviously, the ones who are doing serums, that quality is different. Then the pricing comes on that point. When doctors start telling you this is a good product to use, they're certified. Then they come in a certain degree because that chemical level is a lot more. They don't come in the color cosmetic or the beauty segment because doctors are now prescribing it. They have to go over the counter. That's a different segment altogether.
True.
But other than that, each brand is fantastic in their own way.
Right.
Where Bobi comes in is we have to do a lot of marketing. We still are doing marketing. And then beyond marketing is building faith. And that takes time.
Right. Can you share with us a business mistake or a challenge that became one of your biggest learning experiences as a founder?
I make mistakes every day. How many do you want me to tell you? Learning never ends.
Yeah.
Learning never ends. So, I can tell you what I did yesterday.
Sure.
I actually approved an influencer's work, which was not that great. I liked it. Then I showed it to 10 other people and they didn't like it. Then I asked them why, and everybody had a different views. And I sat confused. So I said, we'll just upload it. Let's see.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. And then the influencer herself called us and said, "Arey, ye to itna acha nahi tha. मैंने दूसरा भी भेजा था आपको." And they all looked at me. I'm like, oopsie.
Fair enough. How important do you think has social media and, like you've said, influencer marketing has been in Bobi's growth?
200%. 200%. You reach the Indian household without really... let's go back a little bit. Earlier you needed banners, you needed newspapers, there was so much revenue. Half the brands dried out because they had to do so much more. With the mere reel and the hard work of an influencer are doing fantastic. I'm telling you, your friends, when 10 friends will give you, will do a small reel for you, that content, it's a content world today. What you put out there, people find it genuine and they want to buy it. So, marketing and social media marketing, sometimes if you ask me, is bigger than any brand.
But then let me ask you this. What if you had a zero marketing budget today? How would you then grow your brand?
I have thousands of friends. I will tell them, please use my product. All my brides, 17,000 brides. I will tell them, lo bhai.
That's an amazing.
तुमने मेरे को payment दिया, अभी मैं तुमको free product दूंगी.
Customer feedback can make or break a product. Has there ever been a time when customer reviews completely changed a product or your business strategy for the better?
Yes, of course. We launched this pair of glasses, which is for people who are 40 plus, who love to dress up.
Yeah.
Earlier we had one single lens. Now we have double lenses, which is really good. It goes the way up, put your kajal and your liner. It goes down when you're doing your entire makeup. So yes, flip glasses, what we call them. Initially everybody said, ek aankh se nahi dikhta, ek aankh se dikhta hai. It's not really comfortable.
Yeah.
Which is true. Then we got two lenses and that did really well. So yeah, it did. Customer feedbacks, customer review matter.
Yeah.
They do. They do matter.
Where do you see Bobi in the next 5 years? Are there any exciting products, categories, or any kind of international expansion plans that you can share with us?
I won't be too salesy here, but I want to be in every household.
I think that's fair. I think that's fair.
I mean every household.
Across the globe.
Yeah.
I think that's fair. If an aspiring entrepreneur wants to start a beauty brand today, what are the 3 biggest lessons you've learned that they should know before taking the leap?
Patience. Be patient. Every day, seize the day, work hard, and dogged behavior. Rose. Get at it. You breathe it, sleep it, wake up, eat it. That's how you make it. There is no other mantra.
Absolutely. Okay, Maushmi, so last question. Tell me about your favorite product.
So this is what I started off with. We bettered this with self-adhesive lashes. So there is really no glue required. Made life really easy for people. But my favorite is... Ta-da!
Oh my God, same. I love the kajal.
You've used it?
Yes, absolutely. I live and swear by it.
Yeah, it is really nice. So for all those who don't know the products, and people ask me that, Maushmi, you've started something, we don't know about the products. I just tell them, go to my website or just go to our page, see it. You will see a lot of genuine reviews. People who've used our products, we've taken the effort of telling them, send us videos. आप अपने हिसाब से भेजो if you really like the product. And yes, obviously, some of my friends who have used the product, I'm going to ask you also, now that you're telling me, even you used it.
Yeah.
So give us a review. Tell us what you think about the product. If we need to work on it, we'll work on it. And if you feel it's great, then we'll just put it up. It makes me smile and tells people that, there is another brand in the market and you can use it. It's called Bobi, born to be indispensable. And aren't we all?
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.